Okay, so we've looked at finding the value of the gradient of the tangent at particular points, and now the next couple that we're going to look at, we're doing it in the reverse order then. This time we're given the gradient of a tangent and we have to find the point. So find where the gradient of the tangent to the curve y equals 2x squared minus 7x plus 8 is 5. So this is what dy by dx equals. It equals 5, and we have to work out the point that makes that happen. So first thing we're going to do, differentiate, and we get 4x minus 7. So 2 times 2 is 4. Take 1 away, minus 7x becomes minus 7. Differentiate 8, we get 0. So we want to find where this, what x value will make this 5. So we let that equal 5. And then we just solve it. So 4x is 12 and x is 3. Now obviously we want to find the point, so we need to find the coordinates. So y equals 2 times 3 squared minus 7 times 3 plus 8. So that's 18, take away 21 plus 8, and we get that the y value is 5. So our answer, so coordinates 3, 5. Okay, and notice now we were looking at a quadratic curve, and we're wanting to find where the gradient is 5. So if you think of your quadratic curve, there'll be one point on that curve that has a tangent with a gradient of 5. We're going to now look at a cubic instead of a quadratic and see how it's a wee bit different. Okay, so looking at the cubic then. So find the coordinates of the points where the gradient of the tangent to the curve y equals 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 10x minus 2 is 34. And if you think of the basic shape of a cubic graph, there could be 2 points where the gradients are both 34, so we'd expect 2 answers here. So we're going to differentiate. This is about the gradient of a tangent. So 2 3s are 6x squared minus 18x plus 10 when we differentiate. This has to equal 34. Okay, and notice now we've got a quadratic to solve. So the last time we had a linear equation, now we have a quadratic. You know that that has to equal 0 to be able to solve it. So we'll have to bring the 34 across and take it away. Now, to make it easier to factorise, we can divide by 6. And we get x squared minus 3x minus 4. So our product is minus 4. Our sum is minus 3. Two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 4 and add to give you minus 3 are minus 4 and 1. So we can factorise, and to get our 2x coordinates then of 4 and minus 1. Now the question asks for the coordinates of the points, so we need to find the y coordinate of each of these. So when x is 4, y is 2 times 4 cubed minus 9 times 4 squared plus 10 times 4 minus 2. And if you work all of that out, we get that the y value is 22. When x is minus 1, y is 2 times minus 1 cubed minus 9 times minus 1 squared plus 10 times minus 1 minus 2, and again when you work all that out you get that y is minus 23. So this time we have two answers and our coordinates are 4, 22 and minus 1 minus 23.